Operating cash flow is among the ratios that are used to assess the liquidity condition of a company. The formula for operating cash flow ratio is cash flow from operations divided by current liabilities. That means for every dollar of current liabilities, for supporting every dollar of current liabilities, how many dollars of cash flow from operations are available? So to calculate this ratio, we have to collect the information, the amount of current liabilities and the amount of cash flow from operations from the financial statements. To find the amount of current liabilities, we have to go to the balance sheet, and also to find the amount of cash flow from operations, we have to go to the cash flow statement of the company. You can see that we can find the calculation of the operating cash flow from operation, which is one of the three components of the cash flow statement of the company. So if we find these two, then it is not difficult to calculate the operating cash flow ratio of the company. Let us do it for the year 2018. Starting with the equal sign, let us go to the first item, cash flow from operations, which is in the cash flow statement. So let us go to the worksheet containing the cash flow statement and click the cell containing the net cash provided by operating activities divided by. Let us go to the worksheet containing the second item, the balance sheet, where we have the total current liabilities. If we click the cell, then we get it, and after that we press the enter key and we get the operating cash flow ratio of the company for the year 2018. If we just copy the formula to the adjacent cell, we get the amount, we get the ratio for the year 2017, because in both cases, in case of balance sheet and also in case of cash flow statement, the amounts of the year 2017 is just in the adjacent cell. So if we copy the formula, we will get the relative adjustment, and our information will be updated, and we get the operating cash flow ratio of the year 2017. Thank you for being with me with this easy calculation.